Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create auto captions using CapCut. So here I've already import a video with narrations on it or conversation on it, and I want to add caption. But if you are too lazy to write it down one by one, you can use the auto captions feature on CapCut. So what you guys need to do is just go to audio, go to text and then here you'll find auto captions. So just click on that option and then choose the sound source. So in here I'm going to just select from video, and if you are on CapCut Pro, you can also choose the animations of the caption. But if you're not, just leave it as it is and just click on start. And after that, CapCut will be creating the auto caption. Just wait until it's fully finished. Okay, so now the auto caption has been created. You can just play the video to preview the captions. Okay, so I think the caption are pretty accurate, and that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.